Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial where we continue to demonstrate how you can use the diagramming library for JavaScript to create the flowcharts that you want. This is our sample from the last time. Today we will see how you can customize the looks of the diagram. The easiest way to do this is through themes. Each theme colors all diagram elements using a set of colors that go well with each other. A theme is set through the theme property. The themes of the diagram are named Business, Earth, Pastel, etc. You get them by calling getBusiness, getPastel, and so on static methods on the theme class. The returned object is assigned to the theme property of your diagram. Let's comment all brush assignments to nodes in our sample because they will override the theme colors. And here is our Earth theme. The nodes and links are dark blue. The containers are beige. A selected node changes its color to green. The table nodes are beige as well and change to yellow when selected. Let's go to the online documentation and look at the guide for styles and themes. Here, by the way, you can see screenshots of all ready-to-use themes. Of course, you can create your own themes based on those or from scratch. This is the code to create a theme with styles. We will copy the part that sets a style to a diagram link. Styles are available for all types of diagram items: links, tables, nodes, containers, etc., as we demonstrated earlier. A style only sets colors, fonts, brushes. We create a new style for links and we set their stroke and text color to be orange. We don't create a new theme, so we assign this style to the current diagram theme. The link is orange now. This is a very simple link. Let's replace its head with something more fancy. We look at the members of diagram link to see what we have available. The head brush, head shape, and head shape size properties are what we need. The shapes are members of the shapes class, but you can always identify them with strings equal to their name. The head properties are for the link, so we must assign them to each new link. We will handle the link created event in the same way we handled the node created event in the previous tutorial. The event data provides us with reference to the newly created link. The property is called link. We set its head shape to circle, and we set the head brush to a sold yellow one. Let's delete the rest of the code. This is a link before we changed the code. And this is the link now. Its head is indeed a yellow circle. We can easily change the shape to something else, for example, a cloud, as long as it is in the list with predefined shapes, of course. Let's make the cloud a big one. A size of 5 might be good. No, it doesn't seem to change anything. Let's try 15. Yes, our link does look impressive now. Now let's change the style of a single node only. The rest of the nodes are styled after the theme, but we can always apply styling to one node, which will override the theme settings. This will be the first node that we render when the diagram loads. From the topic about styles and themes, we copy the code for a linear gradient brush and a solid brush stroke. Adobe Color is a nice website where you can explore beautiful themes. This theme looks like a good fit for our Earth theme. Let's make our node gradient with those two green colors. The stroke will be dark green. Let's also change the head of our links to a triangle and set a smaller size for it. Let's say 10. Here is the node. And here are the links. We can change the color not only of nodes, but of links as well. Let's set the same dark blue color to the links. We use the stroke property and access each newly created link from the link created event. As expected, links are blue now. What we are left to demonstrate are the node effects. The diagram supports two types of node effects, arrow and glass. They can be applied on the diagram or on specific nodes. Let's start with the arrow effect. We copy the sample code from the documentation and apply it to our diagram instance. Nodes look different now. New nodes have the arrow effect as well. Both effects offer various properties for customization, so you can play with the options. The glass effect is even easier to set. We just create an instance of the class. Note that both effects can be applied simultaneously. And our nodes now render with the glass effect. The effect is applied not only on shape nodes, of course, but also on tables, containers, and all type of diagram nodes. That was all for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion developer tools.